So welcome back. Welcome back. I'm hungry, y'all. So I'm gonna cook today, y'all. That's what I'm gonna be doing. We're empty. I already did my other videos, so you don't gotta worry about that. Go check that out. And if you wanna wait to watch all 28 videos, good freaking luck, cause it's gonna be a lot of me. I'm still working on a recap. The recap is taking the longest. I knew the recap was gonna be the longest because it's 12 months. Help me. Yeah, I'm making some pork chops. These are half pork chops, okay? Some cinnamon rolls. I would make some more broccoli and cheese because I did so good on that last time. Some good ass cornbread, so I don't know if we're still good or not. Because it wasn't too long ago since I cooked this. It wasn't that long, as I recall. So make sure y'all stay tuned. So I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on today. We're gonna whip up some stuff, we're gonna eat, and we're gonna watch TV, we're gonna go to sleep. That's it. Bye. Okay, you guys. This is what we have on today. I look big like in this jacket. I'm gonna go to Food Depot. I gotta grab some things that we need before I cook. So yeah. I know we had to have pork chop and whatnot. I still wanted to cook some tacos. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's not gonna cut it for me if we only get like a certain amount. So yeah, that's what we about to do. It's on at 8:13 p.m. I need it. To use the marker jacket. I did have a brown one, but I couldn't find like the scrap in front, so I was like so over the look and everything. But now I'm starting to second guess myself again because this coat making me look as big as ever. I get wherever I can get out of here and come back home because it's already cold and I didn't want to be out here. And I'm craving for some sweets. Pray for me, y'all. So you guys, I did come back from the store. I just grabbed some extra pork chop. Yeah, that little old thing right there was $27. They had a little sale, but they were talking about like once you get to the cash register, they take 10% of taxes. What? Park cricket? Is that park cricket? Uber Eats, you made a delivery. You gonna tip me? Shut the door. I gotta repart.
Hey, Sunshine. There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about.
Hey, y'all. I had to find this package because there been an issue with the mail lady who's supposed to put the key in the mailbox, blah, 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 and she did it. She had it outside, so anybody could have got this package. Guess who I got in the car with me today? And we up early in the morning, too, live and alive.
Live and live, what it do, y'all already know.
Live and alive.
It's
Yeah.
just a little Tone.
Yeah, Tone in my favorite video, so woo!
Package.
Yeah, it's cold out here, huh?
Deliver my sinner.
So yeah, I literally just woke up like eyes and everything messed up. We might do some activity for this February thing. I know I gotta do a vlog every day. I literally gotta do a vlog every day. 28 days straight in the
I mean, yeah.
Y'all gonna be seeing Valentine.
Yeah.
Sister's birthday.
Boy, I gotta watch the
possibly-
game. Hey, y'all, who y'all go for, them Patriots or Seattle? Determine. You go to Seattle?
Nope. I don't know. I don't watch that game.
I ain't gonna lie to me. I don't know. Go for the Patriots because it remind me of Greenville.
You know they used to be Leo favorite team.
No.
I think Mama favorite team too. I'm not sure.
Yeah. They favorite team on that for old news. But my team about to play out too, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna stick to basketball because both of my teams out. Alabama and Kansas City. The NFL and the NCAA.
Right. But me and Tom, we were also talking about like, I want to resign from my job, so I want a different opportunity, and I want to go up the road. And a lot of y'all don't know what up the road is, but basically, where I want to work is probably about an hour or 30 minutes away. So I'm going towards north, and she pretty much gonna be working on her resume and whatnot. So
My cover letter.
They still taking cover letters?
They want me to have one again.
Yeah, because some people require both. I remember they say resume and cover letters. Oh, that part right there. The job that require both, no. I'm leaving immediately. I can't do it.
So what job she trying to get me?
It could be a great opportunity. Because if you doing...
You know, I had a good job. Every time I search, I have a good job, bro.
Cover letter and all that stuff, sure. Why she don't get an offer job? You know who?
Wait to my heart. To my heart.
She the one helping you too?
No, my case.
Oh, okay.
The lady.
Yeah, she's my book smart. Shit.
She said she do that, I do that. But
I pay her. Is she really good at it? But then again, I'm looking at her job. I'm like, why?
I don't know about that.
Because I'm like, why are you not on the road? Then I'm like,
I don't know about that part. I'm going to go ahead and say that now.
I did. Moesha, I'll pay you. If you see this video, I will pay you.
She fine at? She good at?
She I don't know how, good, but if she is, I definitely pay you.
You know, they've got to see they work for her.
Yeah, of course. But I know how smart she is, so yeah. And this is the thing, y'all. I can do my own resume.
It's smart now.
Shut up. Look, I can do my own resume. That's not a problem. I know some people like to
be real professional. I want them kind
lie.
The one with them. But no, I don't need one with a big ass word because they at me when I'm talking about that shit. I'm like, hey,
I can do all that. That part.
I know you can do that. I can't.
It's just the fact, like, I put too much effort into my resume, and some people can just get it done like that. I got to make sure everything is correct.
I'm telling you, I need an authorization.
But I have been doing something wrong on my resume, which I should have known from the jump. If you're applying for a job, you gotta definitely have the experience, the list of experience. And if you don't, you gotta play on the words and try to make it seem like you're
about no experience. I'll show you my experience. I'm dead tight, like for real. I'll show you my experience. I'll tell them for I ain't even got it right, but I'll show you my experience right now. I got so much talent here behind this.
Yeah, but in written form, that would be great so they can see their experience, but most people ain't going for that.
Not real talk. I'm that smart.
I mean, me could do it.
Yeah, I know I've been think I could drive. I can drive anything in there. Like, for real.
I can see you doing that, yeah.
I know it. And I can move into the box, put the box on. I know how to do all that.
It just get irritating.
I ain't just gonna do it, but the ones I will tell, I think I'll be scared. But
my old job, they used to try to get when we were running out of people, they were saying, like, you might really learn how to do the forklift. I said, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not finna go around.
That shit.
I did a lot of stuff.
I ride on a little thing. I love that one. The little thing you ride on.
And it go fast.
That Mobius though. That was that Mobius.
Yeah, I'm not getting on those things. I like my job being a team lead. I didn't want to do all the freaking.
Oh, he was a team lead.
Yeah, I didn't want to do all the forklift and all that stuff.
I was a material handler, so I ain't give a damn. I like that.
You might always say I did that too because I had to go pick up my own. I wouldn't depend on no forklift or none of that.
That's quality.
Yeah, quality inspection.
I did assembly. That's the one with the machine
operators.
I tried welding. I'm good on that.
I did welding. But we had a different kind of welding. Like,
yeah, it ain't the one with the damn, you gotta put a mask on.
No. We didn't do that.
You gotta have something for that.
Now, I was like, look, if it compared to welding, it would have been like kindergarten.
I mean, you gotta have, you gotta
protect
have.
the gears?
No, you gotta have some type of for real experience with that. Welding, the real one.
Yeah. I'm not, I wouldn't even focus on that anyway. You ain't gonna get me in there hot. I know somebody who used to do that.
Do all that.
My jaw is really irking my nerves. I'm this close to 1 little small centimeter just to turn around every time I get close to the job.
I'm just trying to do something aside I could have. Cause somebody send me a haircut case, please, with everything
like
in
a kit?
it so I can start it. Yes, can I get a kit from you guys, please?
Someone,
I
please.
order myself, or you can order to my address, or I give y'all my. You done?
Oh.
I give y'all my Apple Pay information with that. Just let me know. I'm trying to start somewhere new. Don't get my kit now. I'ma start. I'm gonna need a mannequin head, but I cut real hair. I tried on myself.
Have you tried like looking on the website and seeing how much it costs? Like a whole package, all the stuff.
The kit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How much is it?
100 something.
When you say 100 something, what we talking about? Like in the high, close to 200?
Yeah, close to 200.
Take a picture of it and then screenshot it to me.
Go ahead. Don't try to show
I said what I said.
Okay. I'll show you right now. I am.
If we're talking about investment, I'm Natalie Nunn.
But bitch, I'ma get a mannequin head. But they can pay me. Her kid get paid.
Oh, look at them pretty birds.
Groundhog already came. Oh God, it found the shot off.
Being deep into the groundhog thing.
That's scientific and shit.
But I'm gonna look into it and see if, like, how true or what's the myth or myth. I don't know if it's a myth. I don't know if it's scientific. I don't know. Like
Yeah, you don't know.
I don't know because I ain't never really got into it like that. So yeah.
Zena.
That's why she speak every morning.
Yeah.
I see her walking every morning, y'all. She don't skip a beat. She don't skip a wedding.
Yeah.
What y'all think me and Tom should do? Like, what video we should do?
We need to do the trivia questions and stuff. That should be fun. They put on Facebook. Then the one you got a box and you sit different fries underneath it and you gotta pick what kind of fries they are, but you win something from it. Then they got the one with the drink. You put the drink on there that match the bottle that's inside the bottle. I don't know that a lot of
so
guys.
Like a food thing, like a
tic-tac-toe trivia, but you gotta have the board. Whoever get the answer right, then who put a letter down. Yeah, I seen that. I seen a lot of stuff.
Just send it to my TikTok and then we'll come up with an idea. I told you I'm gonna give y'all content day after day. If you really hardcore like or support me, then I'm gonna do this for y'all. Cause I don't really do stuff like this. Now the real challenge is gonna be when I be at work, and I'm gonna video some of my experience there too. Because what I'm gonna do is if we do a thumbnail like this, all I'm gonna do is put little hearts around it. And then say, love me in 28 days. For a type. That's it.
Look at her.
Who's that?
Can't say it on the little thing.
Alright, y'all. So we about to go in. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry about last night. I did not film us eating. I did not film us watching the movie because I actually fell asleep on the movie. I was watching myself and he was watching his own thing. And as soon as I ate that food, I went... Alright, so see y'all later at Gators.
I'll see y'all later. Just catch me on whatever other video I get.
All right. Peace out.
Are you scared?